Hi guys, welcome back to my another YouTube video. This is a video on how to activate .NET Framework 2.0 and 3.5. Many programs need it before they can get installed. It's a software development framework for building and running applications on Windows. So let's begin the installation. At your flash drive and let's download the media file creation tool from Microsoft Store. Click on the first link here. Download the Windows 10 installation media. Click on download to now. I have already downloaded mine. Open your file explorer. Go to download folder. Install the media creation tool that you just downloaded. Now click on Accept. This is gonna take some time. I'm going to pause it now. Click on Create Installation Media File, Flash Drive, DVD or ISO file for another PC. Then click on Next. I have done mine already. Just do it, it's very easy. Now open CMD and let's type in some commands. Click on Run as Administrator. All commands are in the description below. Now, open File Explorer and check the letter of your USB flash drive. This is actually letter D. Then go back to Command Prompt and type letter D with colon in front of it. Click Enter. This is going to activate .NET Framework 2.0, 3.0 and 3.5 on your PC. The .NET Framework 2.0, 3.5 or 3.0 has already been installed on your PC. You just need to activate it. So just wait for it. Now, the operation completed successfully. The .NET Framework has been activated on your PC. To check if .NET Framework has been activated on your PC, click on the Windows key, search for Control Panel, click on Program and Features, click on Turn on Windows Features on or off. Now, .NET Framework 3.5, 2.0 and 3.0 has been checked. It means that it has been activated on your PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Good day.